I found a box where you can pick the items that go in it from their selection. In other words, it's customizable. So I got my credit card and off she went. Let's see what we got. This is the Giftbox Love Co. I was a little surprised when we found out you had to pay for the physical box. It's a good sized box. It's a good solid box. It would make a good storage box. We were just a little bit surprised by that $6 charge. Then again, they didn't get the box for free, so why should we? You also get to pick a card. This is the one that I picked. And you can ask them and they will write a short message on the back of the card if you like. I picked a tea from Harney and Sons. This is the Hot Cinnamon Sunset. It was $13. We have since found that you can find it on sale at Target for $6. I picked a pair of men's wool socks. A nice green color. So Jeff, if you're watching, now you know what's going to be in your Easter basket. They feel nice and soft. They do not feel itchy or scratchy. I'm not quite sure what brand they are. It just says warmth and comfort and health, and to visit them on Amazon, but it really doesn't give a brand. I did look on Amazon. You can get packages of wool socks for less than what we paid for this one, but it wasn't a shopping adventure, so we went with it. These were $12. You can get packages of 5 on Amazon for around $20. So again, they are a small business trying to make a profit. From Body Restore, I picked 2 eucalyptus and mint shower steamers. These have a good scent. I can smell them through the package. These have a good, should we say, nasal sinus passages cleansing scent. Nice to have around for if you hit that stuffed up situation. Nice to have around. And yes, you can probably get them less expensive. Yet it's the fun of customizing a box. Yes, I was having fun. This is from Brooklyn Botany. It's a brown sugar scrub. This was $14, I think you paid. I'm checking my list. Yes, $14. I think on their website, Brooklyn and Botany, it might be a little bit less, as we've been saying all along. What we purchased from is a small business trying to make a little bit of a profit. So we were willing to pay a little bit more. And this will probably show up in a battle somewhere down the road when we do a body scrub battle. So stay tuned for that. Be sure you're subscribed. I saw the saying on this candle and thought it was really cute. I agree, this is cute. My last nerve. Oh, look, it's on fire. That's a fun saying to put on a candle. I picked a vanilla candle. Unfortunately, they sent us a candle that is lavender and some other type of flower. Very unpleasant scent for my needs. So this was going to get passed along somewhere down the line as a gift. We paid $16 for that, and we did contact customer service. They promptly responded the next business day with their apologies. I had said in the email that I either wanted a refund for the item or the vanilla candle. They refunded the $16 for that item. Very good customer service. It was unfortunate that it wasn't the scent we wanted, yet very good customer service. I did not have to argue with them or, do this tracking number, that tracking number. I did have to give them my order number, fair enough, but very good customer service. It was easy to go over budget when you're customizing a box on their website. I had a budget and I wound up having to put back a couple of items, another candle and something else, because it was easy to rack up a charge to around $100. Something to keep in mind. So we came out $65 in products that we could customize, $6 for the box. The shipping was free. So by the time you added in tax, shipping, and protection, we round up at $73, which was in my budget. The website does have pre-made boxes. They are very lavender heavy in the scent. They do look nice, yet lavender is not our thing over here. So we went with the box that we could customize, also thinking that it would be fun to do this. Yeah, I'd never heard of this company before, Giftbox Love Co. And they have a great rating over on Etsy. I went through their website. I went through the website. Well, yeah, you did the shopping. I did the keep a track of the budget. True. Their Etsy shop has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. You can't beat that. No, you really can't. Like I said, we were a little surprised that we had to pay for the box. Then again, they didn't get it for free, and they're trying to make a bit of a profit, so it is what it is. They have many choices of items over there. We thought this would be a fun thing to show because we'd not done this on the channel before, and also because we're getting to that time of year where different holidays and events are coming up. People might want to customize a box for someone or buy a pre-made box for someone. Yeah, and this is not sponsored in any form or fashion. This is just something different that I saw when I was looking around for something different for the channel. All things considered, would I buy from this company again? Yes, I would. I would do another customizable box. It was unfortunate about the candle, but stuff happens even with other boxes. Yeah. So, yes, I would buy from this company again. To be exact, I've kind of got it on my calendar to maybe try another one late summer, early fall. What did you think? Would you try this one? Let us know. Did you see something that you liked? And yes, you can probably find these products for cheaper if you look around on the internet. But part of the fun is making the box. Just keep your eye on the budget. So true. Anyway, thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. And we do hope to see you in another video.